Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix file system error code -2147416359 in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also face this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go services. In this, you search Windows License. You can see here Windows License Manager Service. Right click on this, click on Properties. In Startup type, if you select Manual, click here, you select Automatic. Then click on Apply, click on OK. Now you can see here status is running. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop. Hope your problem will be solved. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.